I think there's a lot of interesting content here, and we're going to develop on that in the next session when we talk of the inner journey. But therefore, what this clearly identifies is we all know and we have all experienced in our own lives different people, sometimes us, capable of dealing with events, situations, relationships from a different plane when we are not disturbed. When we are not disturbed, when our expectations are met, we are a different person. Very cool. I'm very calm. Nothing disturbs me. Why? Whatever I want, I've got. The rattle happens. The rattle happens through lots of things in terms of expectations, those not being met, and then the anxieties. Even in those situations, all of us this morning, we identified certain qualities, certain positivities, equanimity, love, generosity, enthusiasm, that the spiritual person operates from a platform at all times of equanimity, love, generosity, enthusiasm. I'm not listing them, but broadly, therefore, he is at all points of time operating from this platform. And some of us operate from a physical platform in which there is sometimes this, but there is also anger, jealousy, envy, and many of the things which is caused in us, which is triggered in us when it is not caused, it is not triggered when I get 100 out of 100. It is not caused, not triggered when the sales targets are met. It is always caused when there is a gap between expectation and reality. Whether it's in a relationship, she said she would come, but she didn't come. It means she doesn't like me. It means blah, blah. It means something. All things happen between expectation, reality. If there's a gap, then there is some negative emotion which is coming. But there are some people where even if there is a gap, they just take it. Then there is equanimity of this. How are they able to do it? How is it somebody can have something different from what I can have? We just saw all of us are the same. All of us are the carbon atom. There's no difference between A and B. But how is it that somebody is able to do it and I'm not able to do it? We want to submit that it is the spiritual engine, and that this spiritual engine is there in each one of us. Somebody is able to use it and operate from this platform called the spiritual engine, and they switch this on and they run their car with this engine, and they are no more worried about that physical engine which at times will rattle, it will give problems, because the spiritual engine is fully energized. It needs no recharge, no nothing. It goes on and on. It can operate in this manner. So all we wanted to present in this session by raising these things is that in an ordinary machine, if there could be controls for performance, in a human machine and in a human system designed by an Almighty, wouldn't there be something? And wouldn't that something be only under the hood? And therefore, shouldn't we look within? Mr. Venkataraman said a very important thing in the pre-lunch session. The roadblock is only me. There is no other roadblock. The roadblock is only me, capital M, capital E. There is no other roadblock. And to remove that roadblock, the answers are also only within me. My boss, Keshav, needs to do nothing. The answers for the roadblock are also within me. The roadblock is also me. The answers for the roadblock is also within me. That is the spiritual engine. And we know that for us, the spiritual engine, when it operates, its manifestation we know. If I'm operating from the spiritual engine, I am filled with love, equanimity, generosity, enthusiasm, abundance. It's not in short supply. It will never run out. It needs no recharge. It is perennial. No recharge required. That is what we are referring to as the spiritual engine. It is there within us. Mr. Venkataraman used a very important word which I want to reiterate now. Let us have the faith that we have the spiritual engine. Let us first have the faith that we have the spiritual engine. We will then find it, we will operate from it, we will exploit it, and we will move towards performance in life. That's what we wanted to present in this session.